Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe at home. In previous video, you must have understood the story of lesson number 2.4, Unity is Strength. Now in this video, we all are going to write the notes of this lesson. So children, everybody take out your English workbook. Page number 34. Lesson number 2.4, Unity is Strength. Let us start with the keywords. First one is quarreling, means an argument. Number 2, no time, means very short time. Number 3, united, means to join together. Number 4, avoid. Avoid means to try not to do something. Now next, number 5, gave up. Gave up means to stop doing something. Next, number 6, meaningful. Meaningful means something important. Next, number 7, worried. Worried means unhappy. Now the last one is force. Force means strength. Now let us move to question number 1. Answer the following. Look at first question. Why was the old man worried? And the answer is, the old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other. Next, what happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? Children, tell me what will be the answer? Yes, and the answer is, when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks, it remained unbroken. Students, now open page number 35. Question number 3. What happened with the single stick? And the answer is, the single stick broke easily. Now question number 4. What lesson did the sons learn? Children, tell me, did the sons learn the lesson? Yes. So write the answer. The sons stopped fighting with each other and started to work together as a team, which really helped them. So come to question number 2. Arrange the following words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. Children, in this question, some sentences are given, but the words are jumbled. They are given in wrong order. We have to arrange those words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. First one is done for us. Worried man was old the. And the answer is given. The old man was worried. Look at second sentence. Everything for fight they would. Children, what will be the correct order of the word? So write, they would fight for everything. Next, question number 3. Sticks of the bundle did break not. And the answer is, the bundle of sticks did not break. Next, question number 4. Easily broken stick a single is. So write, a single stick is easily broken. Next, question number 5. Stand, divided, fall, united, we. Students, tell me how we will write this sentence. Yes. So write, united we stand, divided we fall. Now the last one is, were sticks the separated. Students, tell me how we will write this sentence. Yes, write the answer. The sticks were separated. Children, now turn the page. Page number 36. Question number 3. Read the following sentences. Change the colored words with new words to form a new sentence. Children, first one is done for us. The old man was worried. Now in this sentence, old man and worried are colored words. And the answer is, the young woman was happy. Next, question number 2. He took the bundle and tried to break it. Here the colored words are he, bundle, and we have to change these 3 words to make a new sentence. So children, write the answer. She took the papers and tried to stick it. We have changed the words he into she, bundles into papers, and break into stick. Question number 3. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. Students, tell me which words we have to change in this sentence. Yes, man, sons, and village. We have to change these 3 words to make a new sentence. So write the answer. An old woman lived with his 4 daughters in a city. Here we change the words man into woman, sons into daughters, and village into city. Next, question number 4. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. Now in this sentence, brothers and lesson are colorful words. So we have to change these 2 words. So write the answer. This time the sisters learned a poem. We have changed the words brothers into sisters and lesson into poem. Now the last question number 5. He gave them small sticks. In this sentence, he, small and sticks are colorful words. We have to change these 3 words. Write the answer. She gave them big chocolates. Here we have changed the words he into she, small into big, and sticks into chocolates. Now children, come to question number 4. Write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. Children, in this question they have given one word at the center of the flower. We have to tell something more about the word. So let's start. Center of the word is man. So what we can say about a man? First word is already given, that is old man. What will be the another word? Young man, tall man, poor man, and strong man. Now come to next flower. Here the center of the word is tree. Children, tell me what we can say about a tree. First word is given big. So big tree. Think about more words about tree. Yes. So write green tree, tall tree, old tree, and mango tree. Open page number 37. Children, here the center of the word is flower. So we have to tell something about the flower word. First one is done for us, that is pink flower. So children, think more about flowers. So write fresh flower, pretty flower, bright flower, and soft flower. Now come to last flower. Here the center of the word is woman. So we have to tell something more about woman. Here also first one is done for us, that is old woman. Write more words about a woman. Thin woman, beautiful woman, tall woman, and gentle woman. Now come to question number 5. Read and write. Children, you have to read the given words and write 3 times in your workbook. First one is worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried. Quarreling. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-L-I-N-G. Quarreling. Next, agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. Next, bundle. B-U-N-D-L-E. Bundle. Next word is sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. Next word is surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Next, unbroken. U-N-B-R-O-K-E-N. unbroken. Next, impossible. 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 Next word is united. 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 Next word is friendship. 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 Next, succeed. 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 Now the last word is force. 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 Children, these all words you have to read and write 3 times in your English workbook. Students, now open page number 38. Children, here is an activity is given for you. Find the small words hidden in the big word. First one is done for us. Now look at first word, everything. Everything is a big word, and which are the small words are hidden in everything? They are every, thin, very, thing. Now second word is friendship. Can you try, children, to tell the words hidden in the friendship? Okay, let me tell you. First word is friend. Ship, end and hip. Next, third one, separated. Students, can you tell me what are the small words hidden in the word separated? Okay, let me tell you. 8, separate, rate and rat. Next word is together. Students, come on, try to tell the small words in together. So write to, get, her and other. Now the last word is quarreling. Students, can you tell me the small words hidden in the word quarreling? Okay, let me tell you. So write R, quarrel, ruler and equal. Children, here we completed our lesson number 2.4 notes. Thank you.